Hello YouTube. So, first auction purchase, an '04 Ford Explorer XLT. She's seen better days. She didn't start, she still doesn't. I've heard it might be the crankcase, not the crankcase, the fucking timing chain. You know, the old school New York plates. Had to get around somehow, and I'm in Virginia. Water in there, so that's a bit of a pain in the ass. But it's not a bad car so far. Although the prior owner of this thing did not take care of it. Ignore this, this is me. But it's filthy in here. So it's just the standard V6 XLT. Smells a little moldy, but we'll take care of that. 3 rows of seating, a lot of trash, and we're gonna try and get it running. She has the rear climate control. So she's very, very dirty. Got a trash bag here. Oh, air pump. So we have free air pump now. Oh, that is very fucking moldy. Holy shit. Ew. Ew. Okay. There's nothing really gonna rub my fingers on to clean up in here. But we only paid about, was it $420 for this car? So all in all, not that bad. We're hoping that it's not timing chain, that it's something stupid like maybe a spark plug. Holy shit, it's even worse back here. And we're trying to get it running and flip her out. Let's see. Yep, a lot of shit in here. Right now she has about, I think it was 200 on her. So go to the driver's side. She has 4 decent, all different brand tires on her, from Firestone to Goodyear, and one Chinese knockoff. It's even dirty here. Like I said, though, she is not starting for a reason. Mileage 183. Yeah, she's pretty up there. Tail on her droops down right here, but all in all, it's not bad. And we'll keep you posted. She has a nice little aftermarket radio here. I don't know who that is, but I don't like rap. Well, not new rap. But yeah, cruise control. Don't know if it works. I'll plug my reader into it later and do a compression check. Compression is good, then we know that it's not timing chain. And I'm praying to Christ again that it's not. But yeah, we'll be back to you once we get it running. We're gonna do some more work to her. Update. So cleaned her up. She actually cleans up pretty nice. I haven't done a vacuuming, but just a throwing out of trash and a little wipe down until I ran out of rags for the dash. But progress is made. Found a bunch of interesting shit in here. Everything from letters from a father to daughter and a daughter to father. Apparently they're divorced. The mother, you know what I mean. Parental divorce situation. But yeah, front end came up pretty nice. Going to the back, middle. It's still dirty, but I no longer feel like I need a tetanus shot from looking at it. There was mold here, which I then wiped up, and so you can get a better look in there. Yeah, it cleaned up actually pretty nicely. I'm gonna take all these seats out and basically not power wash, carpet clean the entire car because it is pretty gnarly. That comes later. For right now, I need to, thank you train, I need to figure out why she won't start still. Back end's pretty good. Still dirty back here, but and they're dirty up there, but the seats are looking a lot better. This part here I cleaned out. You can still see some schmutz in there. But yeah, so far this car is turning out to be much cleaner than I thought it would be. Alright. Next time, probably do some car maintenance. Goes away, my boy.